Welcome to the Terrapin X laser rangefinder unboxing video. The Terrapin X is basically a consumer version of the more military focused Terrapin, and it has the capability to range out to 3,280 yards and comes with all the usual accessories. And in this case, a nice benefit of this is it has an 8, not a 7 times magnification and a pretty large objective lens. It comes with sort of the basics that you would expect for a range-finding device and nothing more. The cool thing about the Terrapin X is it's Bluetooth enabled, so it will send data back and forth to the various devices that you can connect it to, as we will discuss. It's designed to be rugged and simple to use. It has one button on the top, which is great. You obviously can connect the lanyards here and a tripod to the base without a problem. So you can see in the hand it has 2 lenses on the front and then a battery compartment, not unusual. It's pretty slim in the hand, although obviously probably double the size of one of the smaller rangefinders that you find for consumer use. It has an eye cup which is squishy, so that will probably work with glasses as well. It measures 5.3 inches long and 4.6 wide and 1.8 high, and is just over 13 ounces, 13.7 ounces in terms of weight. Taking a look inside the box, you've got a CR123 3-volt lithium battery. You have some other basic accessories. This is a bag that sort of unwraps. Looks pretty useless, to be totally honest with you. It's way too big. I'm sure there'll be a better way of holding and using the rangefinder, either by the neck straps or by attaching it to a harness. Other than that, it comes with a lens cloth, and that's all you need, other than downloading the app for iOS or Android and then connecting those two up. It doesn't say anywhere on the packaging, but the amazing thing about this rangefinder, like the original one, is incredible range. It will range out to 3,280 yards, which is much longer than pretty much most of the other rangefinders that we have looked at outside the Nikon 4K, but this is much more of a solid tool for long-range shooters than the Nikon. What sets the Terrapin X apart from the other rangefinders on the market is that it's very rugged and basically a baby military level rangefinder. It is extremely reliable out to long distances and obviously incorporates everything you need with regard to a modern connection to its own app. The app itself can be used as a trigger and obviously enables updates and what have you to the firmware, but it doesn't offer any ballistic solution. In order to create a firing solution, you really need to be aware that this is a one-way communication from the device, the Terrapin, to something else, such as a Kestrel. Where it's paired with a Kestrel, it really shines. Not only can it do very reliable long-distance range finding compared to others, but it will then push that data over to the Kestrel, which can use its ballistics engine in order to create a firing solution. So that's probably the best way to use the Terrapin. Although it's got Bluetooth capability, it will be able to share that data with other apps. It seems like the Kestrel Terrapin combination is the ideal match for using this device.